Android developers, let me show you how to save a bunch of days setting up the same configuration from one project to another. So let's check the features which you have in this template. The first one would be onboarding flow. All the heavy lifting for the animations and transitions are already done. You just modify however you want this to look and change the things in your module and you're good to go. Next thing is Google sign-in. You have this with 2 lines of code pretty easily. You just add your Google services JSON from the Firebase, and as well you can just customize your login screen however you want. There is also support for Google AdMob if you want to monetize your application. I usually do if I have a couple of thousand users. It's a good thing to do. Regarding maps, I would say it's pretty useful to have this as a template because I use this in a couple of my applications, and yeah, it's good to have it out of the box as well. Regarding data persistence, here we have the room library, so it's already pre-configured and added. You just need to add your entities and you're good to go. You don't need to lose time setting the database all the time. So here you can see that it's already working very well, and then we can as well check the Ktor capabilities with fetching some of the quotes here. I added this as a placeholder. So yeah, Ktor will fetch the stuff which we need. As well, there is a retrofit option, whatever you prefer. For the dependency injection, there is a coin here, pretty easy to use, and yeah, you will get to know this pretty easily if you haven't encountered previously. I just want to show you as well other features which we have here as Firebase push notifications. Those are as well done. You just need to configure your Firebase console, send your push, and push will arrive in this application. As well, there is a Firebase config, which is a remote config. If you want to hide or show some feature, here you can do with this one. It will fetch. So here you can see the repository is already doing the job. You just add your new key, and yeah, you can do that as well. For the app checks, there is a certain checks if you want to do before your application starts. I mean, before the onboarding flow or before the login. So you can customize those as well. Those are running. Yeah, you can invoke those before anything else, right? So there is also support for widgets. I can show you here because you just need to modify your widgets UI in the widgets module here, and you have them out of the box because they are already registered as a feature. So here you can see the widget with some placeholder data, and yeah, it's pretty useful if you want your app to have widgets. So here in the network and database, you can find the room schemas, the room setup, and also remote, which is from the Firebase Google Cloud console. So you can add your data as well on the cloud using Firebase. This is also out of the box, so it just days of setting this up. You have this in one place. I want to show you the UI components which are useful and you can use them across the application. For example, let's see those badges or maybe buttons. So those are already added. You just need to do whatever you want with them and customize however you want, but they are following the Material 3 guidelines. I won't go through all of those. For example, I can show you maybe the scaffolds. Scaffolds are pretty useful because you can build your screens, yeah, pretty quickly. There is as well utils here, so those are pretty much useful, and you can check everything here. I won't go through all of it because there is a lot here of boilerplate, and yeah, it will serve the purpose very well. You can check the readme file, and I suggest do this because yeah, you will get to know this code base pretty fast. The architecture is clean and it's following separation of concerns, so you can scale easily if your code grows. Even if you're working in the teams, you can assign different feature to different team, which is yeah, pretty useful as well, so you don't end up in the messy code base. So I hope this helps to you, and it will save you a bunch of headaches and bunch of time. So it's a good starter template, and you can use this for extending as well your template if you have one, or if you don't have, you can build your own from this. So yeah, until the next time, just keep shipping Android applications. Bye.